it's B from B Symmetry Pyrography, and today I'm painting in the creek. In order to create this artwork, first I drew my design onto some watercolor paper with a thin Sharpie. Next, I used Prismacolor watercolor pencils, and I colored in all of the different colors that I wanted to use, and blended the colors together and just did that dry. And then I had a really beautiful time down by the water with my child, and while she played, I painted, just dipping my paintbrush directly into the creek water and blending the colors accordingly. So with this method, it's so easy. You just literally take water and paint it over the top of the areas that you've colored. And with the watercolor pencils, the pigments liquefy and they really come to life and brighten up. I'm just using a circular motion to blend all of the different colors together. All of the materials that I've used in this video will be linked in the description below in case you decide you'd like to try it. I think that creek painting should be the #1 new hobby of everyone. If you have access to water, it is truly a wonderful way to pass the time and be creative and have just a peaceful, meditative experience creating art in nature. I hope everyone has a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching. Visit bsymmetry.com for more of my artwork.